So you created your account with CJ Dropshipping and you linked your store to CJ Dropshipping, but you don't know how to list your products. So don't worry, I got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how can you use CJ Dropshipping to list your products on your Shopify store. So let's just begin the video. The first thing you need to do is click on these bars right here and need to select the product that you want to list. Let's just choose computer and office and just go for USB flash drive, for example. And once you're here, you need to select the product that you want to list. For example, this one looks pretty good. So just click on it and it will bring you to this window right here. And if you already have this product in your Shopify store, so you just need to click on connect and basically it will connect your CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store and the product will be listed. But if the item has not been listed before, you need to click on list here and now you have to select your store, ship from, and fill out all these details. Ship from, as you can see, there is only one option right here, but in some products there are multiple options. Now you need to select ship my order, move to shipping method, and for shipping method you need to check out this menu right here and it will basically list all the shipping methods, its cost and delivery time. So you need to make sure which one you want. For example, as you can see, this one is pretty quick, like 6 to 10 days only. So you need to make sure which one you want. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will just click on CJ Packet Ordinary. And now if you go back to list, as you can see, it will already be selected right here. And as you can see, product type, you need to fill out these all. And once you have done that, now you can add your pricing here. So you can do this manually by writing all the prices, or you can do that by just clicking on recommended listing price. And as you can see, it has listed every price in my currency and dollars as well. So once you have done that, all you need to do is just click on list it now. It says that listing in progress. You may check the listing status on listing. So let's see if the item is listed or not. And as you can see right here, it just says pending. So it will take a couple of minutes and it will show me that the item has been listed. So let's wait for it. And as you can see, my item has now been listed successfully. And in the status, now it's a listing succeeded. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing our channel, and I'll see you next time.